Okay, so this will be one of the last videos before I put it all together and just show you a pot of the chili cooking and just kind of try to wrap it up. So this is all the veggies chopped up and whatnot. I put this in grapeseed oil, all my other seasonings like I showed before. I smashed smashed the fennel and Italian seasoning, so that's in this skillet in the bottom. So this will cook and kind of candy fry these up, and then I'll add them to this pot, which is the walnut meat. So then we'll add about a half a gallon of water and let it simmer, and that'll start making it be actually the chili that you know. So since I've got it on, I may as well fire it up now too, and we may be able to show you kind of how it's going to look. Let's see here if we can get it all. So you let these fry up and get this going. And then the idea is to start having the chili be birthed out of this here. We'll add this in, and there's going to be more seasonings and all that too. So this will go in, the fire will get up under it, we'll get it stirred up and all that, of course. And as it loosens up and breaks down, it will start to have, you got the onions in the bottom of this pot too from what I fried before. So we'll let this start cooking, and then we'll add in the mushrooms and the veggies. And the next video I'll show you, it'll be looking like a pot of chili, and just let it simmer.